Did you forget that I was even a...
Yo!
Yo. Yeah, I said twice. You got a problem with that?
Yeah, I do. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because you had a gap!
I got it fixed!
You had a gap back in the day.
I got it fixed!
Okay, so listen.
So,
I got this really emo shirt today.
emo?
Yeah, like emo amazing. You wanna know what it is? You wanna know?
What?
Ninja Turtles! The mutant kind! The teenage mutant kind! I always wanted to be that one.
I always wanted to be the purple one. Speaking of all black, I'm wearing all black. And people say that my makeup's too dark. I don't see it.
Oh wait, look at me.
What?
Look at me. Do I have anything
Yeah.
in my teeth?
No? Do I?
No, you're good. That was a trick question.
What am I supposed to say?
That was a trick question. That was a trick question.
Oh, because...
No, that was a trick question. That's not fair. That's not cool. That wasn't funny, Kelsey. We don't do trick questions on our show. Got it?
Yeah.
We don't do those. You wanna know why?
Why?
You wanna know why?
Why?
You wanna know why?
Because people could get their feelings hurt.
You wanna know why?
No. But really, if my makeup's too dark, let me know.
You wanna know why?
No!
You fixed your gap. It wasn't there on Saved by the Bell. It wasn't there on As the Bell Rings. Okay. On As the Bell Rings, that was a show back in the 80s.
I was on Saved by the Bell.
Wait, that was a trick question because you had your gap on Saved by the Bell.
I did on Saved by the Bell.
I thought it was digitizedly put on.
Oh yeah.
In your pie hole.
Oh, but no.
It wasn't, but wait. So, we have lots of cool videos.
Oh yeah, that's why we're making this video. To let you know that we have tons more coming. And a music video.
A music one, Zonky Shiesty.
Oh,
Snap.
Nice to smell everybody.
Nice to smell everybody. All I know
is that my makeup looks hot, and I don't care what y'all, if y'all don't like it.
Whatever. Well, get ready to rock.
Oh.